tend to take this board off so we can get to the front of this thing. So we want to get to the front so we can change the bulb, which of course I had to have the right frickin' socket here to get on these darn things. Alright, English. This is gonna be some tough stuff because there's like quite a few bolts in here. Spiders. Ugh. Spiders hanging from the ceiling. Sheesh. If you notice, I probably got music playing in the background, so. Which. The music I'm playing is not going to be distributed, so. But if anybody wants to know, just leave a comment down below if you want to know what the music playing in the background, or maybe some of you actually knew it by heart what the music is that I'm playing, so. So, whatever WMG or whatever the freaking music companies ever say, I am not distributing this thing whatsoever. I'm just playing the music so that way I can have something to listen to while I work on this. I'm pretty sure everybody does that. And those guys can just piss off or something, I don't know. It's not like they're making much money on music that's older than they are. Like most people, whether buy music for like Justin Bieber, Pitbull, or One Direction. So. This is attached to it. This is attached to the ground. Let's attach this up. That looks nice. Nice and corrosive. These screws here. Crap. Let's see here. I don't think there's much of anything that's holding that. Oh, there's a screw there. I'll hold it in place there. It's just really dug into this wood, I guess. Got it nice, so I must have over tightened it or something. Okay, so we got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, 9 screws pulled out. So. If I had to remove this. Might as well anyway. Because we need to get to it. serves, but it's there. What's a good place there for somebody else? Okie dokie. There's a screw that's sitting there. I need to get to that one. It's just laying there, I think. It's got hot glue on it. Let's see. This is totally nuts. Not like we're gonna lose any time. Okay. Okay, we got to the front of this, obviously. This, not too sure exactly what we're going to do about the light cables. Yes, that's the main thing we need. Let's get to that. Let's see what the instruction manual says. The instruction manual. We need your manual. We're not educated enough to figure out your complicated mess. Just like a car. Okay. Let's see what this lovely thing says to us. This thing seems to have more brains than a tulip. Let's see. We don't want none of this junk in the front. We don't care for the sequence of operations. We want to know how to take this thing apart. Yep. It'd be nice if some of the Wurlitzer menus would have something like this, but no. They do not. If anybody says that all manuals of Wurlitzer have sequence of operation, that's bullshit. And especially if they don't show a water diagram of how everything goes in line. That's even more crap. That's not what we want. We don't care about the cabinet, we want the door. That's the top door. Don't care about that door. There's the bottom door. Let's see here. How's this come apart? Okay, let's see. Alrighty. Door shield. Okay. So what it looks like, I could possibly take this apart. So let's get it apart first, I guess. Let's see if this does any difference. this makes a heck of a bit of a difference, and then didn't have to take this thing off. Then I'll just put it back where it was and just take this here apart. The front half. That's so we can get to the light socket that we want to get to. That they made very complicated to change. Which I don't know why Rock-ola did this, but they did it anyway. Alright, there's our first piece. Okay, so now we're just going to remove the front glass here. Which looks like looks like someone tried to glue it in. Nothing but sticky glue. As you can see, there's nothing but sticky glue all over it. It's kind of like rubber cement type glue. It's all rubbery. Okay, well, there's that though. Nice to have dead spiders and nice things here. This thing here is quite cracked. Not that it does any much purpose because it's blocked anyway. Can't see now because of this lovely piece of glass that says Rock-ola right on it. Let's see. Got some more glue. Alright, let's see what our manual says here. Alright, so we got the protective shield, the piece that holds everything in, this. And we show a sheet of glass, which is the glass you see over here, barely off screen. Let's see, we got, it shows this is one whole assembly, which that's still attached to the light. So that means here that's on that side. No, it's on either side. You gotta be fucking kidding me. See if we can try doing some of this, I guess. I'm better off getting a shorter bulb for this stupid thing instead of having to fight with it.